Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Miss Choge. I'm in the kitchen. I want to clean my fridge, so let's do this together. If you haven't liked my videos or subscribed, kindly hit that notification bell, like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember to always subscribe. Support your girl. Thank you. Let's clean the fridge and restock it. Keep it locked. Adios. This is the countries that I've visited. I'm so lucky. I thank God, yes. Okay, let's go in. Let's see what is inside. As you can see, this is the current state of my fridge. Not that messy, but as girls, you need to be thorough, you need to be clean. So we want to wash it together. We remove this ice because it's too much. And then we're gonna stock it. Right, let's do this. Now it's offloading time. Yes, I have to clear everything inside the fridge so that I may be able to start the process of cleaning. Yes, let's do this.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
These are all things that were inside. Yeah. And let's wash. Yes, I'm actually started washing. I'm super excited, super psyched up. And at the background, I'm actually listening to some cool music just to psych me up as I'm doing the entire process. Yes, let's do this. You can see there I'm actually laughing and dancing to the music. Yeah.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Finished washing. The sinks are clear. And now relaxing to dry up. My God, that was too much ice. Now it's time to wash it with hot water and soap. Let's do this. Hot water. I'm going in all over, just scrubbing everywhere, just to make sure that every part of the fridge is sparkling clean. Yeah, I'm scrubbing everywhere just to make sure that it's clean.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
this is the second stage where I bring in hot water only so that I can be able to clear any dirt that was remaining behind and just to make sure everywhere is super clean. I hate dirt, really, and my happiness is to have a clean fridge. Yes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Lastly, guys, I'm using the Astonish antibacterial surface cleanser to kill all the germs. Yeah, let's just spray. As you can see, I'm actually spraying all over the fridge. Yes, every corner, every part of the fridge. Yeah, then I will start wiping the entire fridge.
You wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You need.
Hi guys, we're here at my bus. Let's shop for some few items that we need in the fridge. Yeah.
Wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing.
And just making sure that I got the right sausages, the beef spicy sausages, and actually I have to look at the expiry date.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the.
Nice. Say hi to my people, Sonny. Oh, pick one for me, but the one that I had picked. Yeah, that one. That's okay. Thank you. Okay. So I think I'll take this one.
Yeah.
Hi, sasa.
Oh,
Zanikatia.
mambo.
Poa.
Freshi.
Niko fiti. How are
Karibu.
you? Asante.
Katakata.
Yeah, nakam.
Hi, son.
Let's go.
With you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what?
Guys, I'm just from the supermarket. I got some few items like tangerines over here, some spicy beef sausages, and milk. Yeah, milk. I love milk. I love milk. Yeah, the flavored milk and the juices and chicken. Yes. Lastly, let's restock the fridge. I'm making sure that everything is in order. Just placing everything to be in the right place. Yeah, at this point I'm actually excited. I'm super happy because we are done. Yes.
Turn it to an ocean, let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah.
Guys, this is the final look. I love it. How do you rate it? On a scale of 1 to 10, how is my fridge? Yeah, thank you so much guys for keeping it here at Miss Choge. Kindly remember to hit that notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.